Vinyl swimming pool owners in Georgia and Nashville. Thank you for making Lazy Day Pools the undisputed champion of the vinyl pool remodeling industry in the markets we serve. My name is Chris Ward, but my friends and clients call me Ward Dog, which was my call sign back when I was serving in the Marines. I started Lazy Day Pools as a side hustle while I was working as a police officer in Snellville, Georgia. And now I am proud to report that Lazy Day is the largest vinyl pool remodeling company in America, and we are just getting started. We take old, ugly vinyl pools and make them modern and beautiful. Our prices are highly competitive and our crews are 100 times more experienced than our average competitor. If you get depressed every time you look at your 1990s vinyl swimming pool, I have an idea that might raise your spirits. Let's modernize your pool. Let's get rid of those old white plastic steps and install a tanning ledge. Let's replace that old plastic or aluminum coping with gorgeous prefab stone or paver coping. And when we're finished with those upgrades, let's pimp your pool deck out with sun deck in any color you want. Now that you have your dream pool in mind, don't stop, because we have financing options that make all these dreams possible. In fact, the pool upgrades I just described can be yours for around $700 a month. You know you want your pool to look incredible, so click the link below to request a free quote and let my world-class crew make your dream pool a reality. I think you might be shocked at what Lazy Day can offer.